I found these little plastic bowls in the China section in Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by painting them with Wise Owl primer. This is in the gray, only because I had it open. And then I found this little wooden egg at the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to start by painting it in Wise Owl Snow Owl, just as a base, because then I'm going to go in with some acrylic paint that I picked up at Hobby Lobby, and I wanted to make sure that it would adhere to the wood. And then I'm going to go in over my gray primer that has dried, and I'm going to do the snow owl on my little bowls as well. I'm taking a popsicle stick and cutting it in half. I found this bag of feathers at the Dollar Tree, taking out a couple yellow ones, and I'm going to glue it to my half popsicle stick, a piece of the feather. I'm going to flip my egg around, and I'm going to glue this popsicle stick to the top of my little yellow egg. I'm going to take smaller sprigs of the feather and put it on either side of my egg, gluing it from the back. This is a dabber that I found at the Dollar Tree. It comes in a pack of 3. Using some black Wise Owl paint, I'm going to create little round eyes. Taking some mandarina, I'm going to create a little triangle for the beak. I'm going to take a little bit of snow owl and put a little dot in the black. I'm going to create pink with the Republic red and the white. I'm going to have a few eyelashes coming out of the black, with the black out of the eyes. I'm going to create this little stitch mark going around in the black and then the white. And now I'm going to take my Wise Owl salve and my 2-inch palm brush, and I'm going to apply it to my plastic bowls. And this way, this is nice and sealed, and I know that my paint is not going to come off, as we are dealing with plastic. And it's also going to just soften the paint and give it a finished look. The salve comes in many different scents or unscented. And now I'm going to be using my gilding wax in the Shiny Star. I'm just putting it on my finger, and I'm just rubbing it around the bowl. And as you can see, it's bringing out the texture. I'm going a little heavier around the rim. You can apply this with a paintbrush. I just choose to use my finger. Now I'm going to take some E6000 and some hot glue. And I'm going to stand this little chick in the bowl. I'm using those little tiny blocks that you can pick up at the dollar store. And I'm building them around the front and the back of the chick to help it stand, along with the E6000 at the bottom. And then I'm going to do a second layer just to go a little bit higher up on the chick, just to make sure that I have that stability. Then I'm going to put some hot glue around the bowl, and I'm going to use this green grass that I picked up also at the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to trim it out. And then I'm going to put this upside down, the chick upside down, and I'm going to put the top on the same way that I put on the bottom. It's just hard for you guys to see, by building the blocks up around, as you can see here. And then I'm going to add the glue and put the grass also in the top portion, and then trim it out. And this is what we have. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. For other tutorials, go check us out on YouTube. You can now watch all our videos at chalkitupfancy.com. For any paint products, tissue paper transfer, or mesh stencils, chalkitupfancy.com. Thank you so much. Have a great day.